Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to my channel Faces of Society. Today I will tell you a story. The story name is Ointment of Time. Once upon a time, Sajda Khatun's only young son Jahan was killed in a road accident. He couldn't believe his ears, but his son's lifeless body was lying in front of him. The company had hoped for growth in the days to come for his son, which he had mentioned to his mother. Where did Grandma Baba go? Little Daniel saw his grandmother crying and asked, Son, your father will go to Allah, from where no one can come back. Daniel was looking at everyone in an incomprehensible way. The responsibility of the grandson had fallen on his shoulders. Now, the grandmother was the only support of the grandson. Daniel also learned to live without his parents by crying. Now, grandma was beginning to understand everything. Sajda Khatun bought a small dhaba-like shop with the money she received from her son's company and kept daily necessities in it. She was making a good living. She started sending him to a nearby workshop because she did not want him to stumble upon her after he left. The daughter-in-law got married and did not ask her son again. Time rarely heals every wound. Sajda Begum now saw her son in her grandson. Today, the grandmothers are rejoicing over their grandson's earnings. Due to being illiterate, Daniel was made the manager in the same workshop. Sajda Khatun got the fruits of her maths.